Alright, this is 4K 30. Now, listen to how quiet, how crappy this 50 CFM Master Materials thing is. You ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bro, the poor fan. And that's all tape. Could have the tape all around it too, so it's sealed up. That's the 50 CFM. I'm gonna have to put WD-40 on it. Okay. Here's the 60 CFM. Yep. We're gonna have to, don't mind my hair, and definitely don't mind my voice because, yo. My hands, hold on, give me a second. I know I can't stop the fucking video, I apologize. But as I was saying, don't mind the hair. Alright. Definitely don't mind the fucking voice. That's bright. There we go. Sun's coming out. But yeah, that's it for now. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.